Alright, good morning, everybody. Friday. All I gotta say is we've all been killing it recently as a team. All I gotta say is we've all been killing it as a team together for the last weeks. TGIF. Johnny over here. Pre-market trading has been really nice the last few weeks. I used to wake up around 6:37, but now I get up an hour more earlier than that because of. Dang, John. My wife was sick like the last few days, and she was like, I guarantee you I have COVID. She took a COVID test and it was negative. But she better not be getting me sick now, too. Okay, Gappers. Good morning, Kelas. You missed the A. Kelas. What's up, Ape Trades? Welcome in, bro. Welcome in, Elvinar. Welcome in, Mercer. Welcome in, Zach. Panzota. Oh, Panzota. Panzota. That was a message from yesterday. I wonder if he knows to come in now. Isaiah, what's up, Isaiah? Alright, so Gappers, you got VEE. I did not see that one. Ooh. VEEE. Whoa, VEE is already at max highs. I do need to change this chart to say to have it at 5 years. Actually, it's not at max highs. 5 years highs is 756. And we're almost there. 758. This one can get interesting. What's the float on this one? Hey, Trace, do you know? Alright. Yesterday was good. I took one decent loss, but I had two big winners. But I think as a team, again, you guys nailed some entries that were fire. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Alright, what else do we have? I do have UBX, and I've heard of UBX. It's already up pretty good amount from 80 cents to $2. Dang. The 4-hour time frame has a high of 240. The daily 200 moving average, we've gone past that, so that's a good thing. 364, but we need something lower. 221. This is where it stopped this time at 221 would be next. After that, I could see 287-ish. Alright, another decent one, UBX. UBX, you missed a flag on this one this morning. The V float is 2.3. Oh, you missed a V flag this morning. Oh, technically a UBX too. Look at UBX flag. Look at this 5-minute flag on UBX. This one looks like BNGO yesterday. The one that you guys did trade, where it had pretty good move and then consolidate right over VWAP the whole time. And look at that. Oh, you took the UBX flag. Are you still holding? Alright, so we got two stocks that can make some nice moves. I do have a couple other gappers that I have not looked at. AEY. Okay, so you took some profit. You should be green already then. That's good. Guys, on Sega yesterday, I kept watching it, and there was so many places where I was like, you know what? I would have bought here. I would have bought there. I would have bought here. Like just averaging into small trades, and they all would have paid. Like one of these plays. Looking at the 5 minute. Right here, I wanted to buy at 11:10 my time, just because looking left, that's a pivot there. I wanted to buy here, and then the other one was right here. This 24-22 level reclaim. So pivot, pivot, kind of flush down there, and then I saw this push back above it, and I was like, you know what? I want to buy right there. And I didn't. I didn't buy that there, and I didn't buy this move there, and both of them were, I mean, from 23.78, that's a dollar move, and 24.21 to 25.28, a dollar move again. Any small amount would have paid on that one, but I didn't. I didn't take them. But Sega still has a new high now, 25.28. Honestly, I don't feel like trading Sega anymore. Good morning, Andres. Crypto Wire. Good morning. The only place I did get the perfect entry, they stopped hunting me. Oh yeah, that one. Lang. What? Good morning, Lang. What are we watching? We got UBX on watch. We got V is gonna be a good one to keep an eye on. V E E E E E E E E E E E. Let's see. Honestly, VEEE pull back to that 573-ish level might be good. This actually looks good for now, but not. Look at this other flag on V, man. Bro, this one's textbook material. Look at this. Big volume up, pull back down, kind of using this left pivot here, which is 5.3. If you would have gotten 5.3 again over here, pull down to 5.25, negative 5 cents on that play. But 5.30 to 6.30, you'd be up a dollar a share again. Maybe that's the play. Maybe the play is to get up early and buy the flags in pre-market. Hopefully it continues into market open, but hopefully it doesn't take off first minute of market open, right? Hopefully kind of like pulls back or goes sideways, pops up a little bit, flags, and then goes through 7. Because otherwise this thing is going to do what VRU did yesterday, where it just went boom, 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 and there was no entry on it. There was no entry on it. Well, I guess there was an entry later on, the one that we took and the one that you got sub hunted and the one that I freaking stopped out and then ran up a dollar and a half. Alright, so, but I do have an EPT as well. What does this one look like? Terrible. Any stocks that we've been trading the last few weeks that's still worth watching? This other one is LRMR. High of 3.5, but also looks like the other one, not good at all. LRMR. So let's quickly, Juan, add the 20 MA to your chart and look at the 8 and 20 squeeze on the flags. Studies EMA as well. FRZA IPO. Oh, there was an IPO yesterday. Oh yeah, it's not out yet. No, there was an IPO that did come out yesterday that we were looking at, and it actually had a good run. Not any of these. SDC. SDC is holding its move. That one's not bad. SDC is kind of holding its move, so gonna keep an eye on this one. Put alert on it. Kasi, no. No. Clover, no. BNGO was a good play from yesterday. I got an alert on it. VRNA, John. Is Johnny in here? Oh, there he is. TGL, that's it, Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. Good morning, Kevin. How are you, man? This one was the IPO yesterday. Opened at 455 and it went up to a high of 1998. I knew it started with a T, I just couldn't remember. So this is the IPO from yesterday. And even though it went from 4 to 20, that's what, a 400%. Still didn't go crazy like the other ones did, so I'm going to keep an eye on this one just in case. Obviously, it's going to be riskier. Look how this thing is moving, man. Look at the not the spreads, but look at the chart. Like, this thing is moving dollars like nothing. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 13, 12, 11. This is scary, man. Bede, good morning, Bede. OZZar, still trying to get into Discord. I'm stateside now. No problem, man. Rebel times Beats. What's up, man? UBX into open. Maybe UBX. Good morning, Urban Trades. Welcome to. Oh, you're already in the team. Never mind. I've seen you before. I thought you said welcome. Orv, you remember me? Of course I remember you, Rebel. Actually, I wouldn't say of course because a lot of people I don't remember, but I do remember you. Urban Trades. I also remember Urban Trades. He's the one that asked for the volume. There's a V flag that we were talking about. I think that was you, right? I want to know. Did anybody just jump into this flag here for V? Super busy selling cars and other stuff. I don't think I asked anything in specific crypto to like anybody. Salman Pansota. Oh, Pansota, you're the guy that was just on Tradecaster yesterday, I believe. I think you sent the text to see what time I go live on Tradecaster. Yeah, I think that's you, right? Pansota. Everybody, welcome Pansota on YouTube. First time here. VLCN slowly moving. VLCN slowly moving. VLCN slowly moving, but it kind of pulled back already. Kirian, let's go, Kirian. You gotta tell us where you buy, Kirian. You gotta tell me where you buy and where you're selling. And then we're all set. And then we will all be set. But you gotta be fast. We gotta be fast. We gotta be fast to keep up with you. So V is gonna be main watch. V and UBX are gonna be main watch at the open. I'm looking at UBX. V, this could have been a good 5-minute flag. So pulls up with strong volume and then drops down with lower volume. And we got 40 seconds till market open. So what you guys got? Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Juan. So Pansota, I go live every day 15 minutes before the market opens. So that is, it opens at 8:30. So I'm usually on at 8:15 Central Time. Now, obviously, if you live somewhere else, then you got to change the time frame, time zone, whatever you want to know exactly when I go live. But 15 minutes before market open, usually stay on for about 2.5 hours. And then we go and trade in my Discord. Oh, the 820s pinch. Alright, we're about to go live on this thing. Let's do it, team. I kind of almost wanted to buy a dip down there. I kind of wanted to buy that pullback there just because it's a 5-minute flag, but fill issues on Thinkorswim in the first minute would be tough. Oh, well, there we go. Mersa did it. There we go. Mersa did it. Good job, Mersa. UBX pulling back a little bit too, so it might give us an opportunity, but keeping it on watch. I want to see if V just rips. It does have a high on the last 5 years at 758. UBX pulling back to VWAP. BNGO jumping. I'm going to keep BNGO on watch. That was yesterday's stock. And then VLCN did just shoot up an alert. The one that Farissa was calling out on YouTube. Keeping an eye on that one as well. Gonna be patient on all of these plays here. Oh, there was a retest of 575 on V. How the heck did you make 600 and you're out already? You didn't tell us where you bought, bro. TGL halt. It looks like it. Yeah, it's on my halt scanner now. Good job, Kieran. Good job. Here goes V. I want to see V open up but hold a move, not just spike up the highs. We're also looking at 650 break. Sniper trades might have order at 651. I would not mind if this stock flushed or pulled back right here and just gave us another 10-20 minutes to kind of cool off half of market open and then have that nice move later on. I would not be opposed to that. VLCN is coming up to highs pretty quick. VLCN, looking at VLCN. Pivot here at 2.6. If we get that 275 break, I'd be looking for $3 on this ticker here on VLCN. There goes V again though. Man, why are we not buying this 572 dip? Or at least why am I not buying this 572 dip? V wants to go. You can tell it wants to go. It's literally trading between 634 and 573. Here we go. Breaking high. 650. Can 650 break? Okay. Now looking to hold either 650 or 634. Alright, now this is going to get interesting. We're trying to get $7, right? We're going for $7. I want this momentum to stay strong like this. Give maybe a dip to that 634. No pullback at all again. This is a bad thing when you don't try breakouts anymore. Yeah, I should have taken this pullback here. This is the one I hesitated on. But, you know, I'm telling myself, buy the dips now. Buy the dips, don't buy the breakouts. And I let this one go. Bro, 5,000 shares in this halt? Why did I hesitate so much? Dang it, man. I also did try to fill at 651 and didn't fill me in. It had already went past it. I need all the help, team. Bro, this is going to spike over 7 real quick. No, there's no doubt this doesn't go past 7. 661. As soon as that new candle opened almost. I hesitated so much, man. Honestly, the entry was 575. The second one was after this engulfing candle, a little pullback there. And then I never got a pullback at all. NVTA is on scanners. What is UBX looking like? UBX pulling back pretty aggressively. Looks like TGL isn't halted and kind of getting beaten down now. So good job to everybody that did get in on VEEE. Stuck in a halt going up. I think this one looks good. A bottomed out at 172. $809. They had all the making of snapper trade and you called it on. I tried when it ripped over. Let me see. When I missed this entry here, I saw this green candle engulfing and then pulled back. I almost bought, but I didn't. And then when I saw this hold, at that point I was like, you know what, 651 entry, and I typed my order in and I sent it. But I think at that time it literally went like 651, 52 right over my entry, and I hadn't clicked sent. And because it's a triggered order, like, you know, it has to hit 651 to trigger it. It was already above it, and so the limit order wouldn't work. I didn't have big share size on it though, but I would have been in with something at least. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Anybody in on YouTube in on this halt on V? Should be 9. Wait. 919. Crypto is up 100 shares already. Good trade, crypto. Good trade. 840.19. So it should be in a minute now. Honestly, if this thing maybe opens low or has a little dip under 7, I might get in with you guys on this one. We gotta see it though. We gotta see it. I think the daily. What do you guys see on the daily? Because if I go back 5 years, let's do max. Yeah, it's 758 is the high. 758 is the all-time high on this stock. You can't tell me we're not gonna break 758. Is it possible to get in on a play after a halt? Once it resumes, yeah. Not when it's halted. This thing has a high of 758, guys. I really don't think there's no way we don't hit 758 today. In the last ever, this stock has been trading 758. 10 seconds, here we go. I'm getting ready to join you guys. Dang. I was looking for the bigger squeeze, so I got stopped out. I bought the dip at 650 though. I'm hoping this works. I'm hoping this works. I'm looking for 658. We need $7 to break and hold. I'm gonna stick these last 500 shares. Bought the dip, bought the dip, bought the dip. Come on, give us another little rip. Candle's looking great, man. This candle's looking great. Closing here. Maybe that $7 retest, $7 hold. And then off we go, baby. This thing wants to go again. This thing wants to go again. There's $7. Hopefully $7 holds. Recover $7 and then see if we get a high back up to 758s again. I'm waiting to see if this just wants to bottom out there, take some people out, and then curls back up. No, at this point I'll stop out under that candle. Here we go. Here we go. 678. I'm still holding 400 shares. I want to see the squeeze over 750. There's $7 gonna hold now. I'll put my stop right under that thing. I think we should go now. I think we're clear skies now. I think it's time to fly. I might be getting stopped here. I'm out of that play. I don't know what you guys did. I saw the thing keep going and going and going, the messages, and I have no idea who made a killing, who did not. So, Sniper Trades made 850. Andres made 1.9. Andres is, I'm done for the day, bro. MVTA looks like a mid candle breakout on the daily. Watching AEI, good dip buy. TS84 made 94. Zach looks like he was also in it probably. I had a sniper entry on this thing. I bought it on this flush at 650. And honestly, look at this red candle here forming. Oh, I guess that candle just started, but you guys were looking at NVTA? Oh my gosh, NVTA squeezing shorts again. Oh, you're in on VLCN. I see. This stock here, I mean, I think this stock has 750 plus. Nice little pullback. What is this? I mean, even if 650 hits again, I might take another stab at this thing. I'm going to give this stock some time. I don't think this thing is going to pull back and then immediately recover. I want to see if we kind of bounce off of this 650 a few times and then take the trade. VLCN looks like it's working for Zach. VLCN also heading up to highs. And you called out VCSA. VCSA. Oh, getting there a little bit. High of 4.6 on VCA. Kind of wanted to get out of that thing. I got... No way, man. No way. I just nailed that entry and I got out early again. Looking at this thing to curl all the way back up. Looking at V to immediately take shorts out and then climb its way all the way back up. I took a small trade there for $100. Balance of 7 real quick. Ripped through that. Dude, I can't believe I nailed that entry down there. I can't believe I nailed that entry. Oh my gosh, VCSA, Ape Trades. Did you just nail that entry on VC? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, I looked back and I see 2 giant green candles. Let's go, team. And then Zach destroying VLCN. And dress up $2,000 on V. John calling out VRU. This stock here literally just wants to hold $7. NVTA dip, you banged another 600. Nice. Zach being patient with VLCN for a new high. Ape Trades, are you still in on VCSA a little bit or no? Small shares. Jesse, what do you think of VRU? I got a small position at 1540 on VRU. Let me look at it. I know a lot of guys are calling it out today, and I haven't even had a chance to look at 1540. Well, dude, you're riding it up. Nice, bro. VCSA and Ape Trades. It's okay, Sniper Joy. It's okay. I think we've all literally now, like, even on the Discord, bro, we're like talking and looking at a stock, and we're all like, this is Sniper Trades style right here. I'm going to be the next Flaking, bro. You nailed that one again. I'm still looking at V, man. I think V has 758, 7 breakthrough 750, 758. I think this stock has it. I can see it in your eyes. Bro, BCSA. Oh, I gotta look at that one now again. So we see. This one had a high of 4.6, I think. Yeah, we're getting there. 4.6 on this one. 444 might be a nice little pivot on this play, actually. Look at that. Look at this dip right here real quick on VCSA. Stop at break even, nothing to lose. If we squeeze to 4.6, I got 1,500 shares ready. So man, V is consolidating right over 7. That thing looks pretty. I'm gonna leave this one here. Actually, I gotta stop above break even, so I can't lose anything. V though. Never mind. I'm back to looking at VCSA. I want to see this move through here, back up to 4.6 new high. There we go. I'll take. Oh my gosh, I'll take some out there. I got 1,000 shares ready to ride this thing all the way up through 4.6. I got ready 1,000 shares through 4.6. That's the high that I was looking for. Look at my entry. Look at my entry. Out of this world entry right there. Come on, let's accelerate through 4.6. No, accelerate through 4.6. Through 4.6. Okay. V. Let's go look back at V. Let's go look back at V. Let's go look back at V. This is a new 5-minute candle on V. Dang it, I sold my VCSA. 40 bucks on that one. I'm too impatient, bro. Bro, Zach, I don't know how Zach does it, man. Zach, you must buy, put a stop, and literally close your Thinkorswim platform. That's what Zach. That's probably what you do, man. You literally probably don't even look at it. So on VCSA, I'm still looking for 4.6. He puts break even stop and takes an. That's exactly what I think he does. So V is pulling back again. V, it's hovering around 7, and VCSA, this thing wants the 4.6 break. A little pop back down to that 444, 45-ish level, and I might rebuy in on this one. One-minute flag. I think so. I think so. And then looking at the 5 minutes, this is a clean pivot retest of 444. The only thing is we did not get a lot of buyers through this area up here. At all. There was no buyers up here through that 4.6. You like V 1-minute flag? Well, that flushed through that level. Still low volume, dude. Okay, let me look at V. Dang, did you jump in on that flag there? It's just very small size for me here, but looking to see if it double bottoms and then recovers, but it looks okay. Lost 30 bucks on that one. V though, V pulling back again. No, 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 you're good, Sniper Trace. You're good, you're good. Mersa is in on this one now. Honestly, dip at 434. NVTA rebounding. A little bit. NVTA tucked under VWAP. Too bad VLCN didn't work out for you, Zach. V is the one that keeps flagging and holding all of this move here. Frick, man. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, you're still in. You got stop at break even? Did you get in earlier or what? Bro, I think every little dip on V keeps getting bought up. GOVX. I mean, GOVX though, but why the heck is GOVX, bro? There it is. What do you guys think of V back down to that 650? Nice bounces on VCSA. Okay, you got it down there, Mersa. Yeah, it was at 430's level. And then V again, I hit that bottom there and I sold too early. But if V can take shorts out again after 650, they have to move out the way for that move through 750 now. There's no way they hold through another little pullback like that, like this candle here. VLCA might not be done. I see it, I see it. And then GOVX, oh, GOVX pulled back pretty aggressive there. UBX, our other momentum gapper, didn't do anything. I keep watching V down here. Seeing if it's... There's that 634 retest. Unfortunately, that's probably a little too much of a pullback, so... But this is a stock that I think... This is a stock I think if you keep watching this all day long, this thing might come back up to 750, I think. NVTA, I forgot about NVTA. NVTA, nice little dip there. BNGO didn't do anything today. I had it on watch and didn't do anything. VLCN is the one that passing 260 might be a good thing. Past 260 might be a good thing. And then VCSA again, that's that 436 level. That 436 level again. There goes VLCN. Watching VCSA or VLCN, one of these two. On VCSA, I'm looking for a 5-minute pullback to that 434 level. And then on VLC, I'm looking for the break of 260 and hold 260. What do you guys think? GOVX is done in my opinion. Yeah, I think that stock is one of those that got traded so much again. VCSA. I feel like I have to try some VCSA down here. Although there is no volume on this thing. But that's how these flags are. You wait for the volume to die on, a small pullback, and then volume comes in, picks them up, and then takes off. NVTA. Whoever bought that dip on NVTA, nice job. Do you guys see this dip buy on VCSA? What the frick? What the frick? What the frick? Talk about instant resolution, man. It take us back to 4.6. I'm not selling until we get to 4.6, Zach. I have to stop at break even, but oh, that looked terrible. Well, that looked terrible. Bro, okay, one of these days, one of those that nail. I mean, I'm taking a $40 paper cut, right? One of the VLCN over 60. One of those days, one of these days, one of those is gonna rip, baby. Good ads there with me, Zach, though. Good ads there. Who got that NV? Yeah, that NVTA dip was nice. Even now, it seems to be bouncing off of VWAP or trying to. But I'm still gonna keep a close eye on V. I'm putting alerts on V everywhere. So if it starts moving, especially through that $7, that might be a nice little. Oh, you're still in VCSA? See, I don't know how. Maybe that's my thing. I have to just be a little more patient. I try to buy the bottom, and then I try to put a stop at break even and just let it sit there. Either I lose or I legit nail the bottom. V wants to climb back up again. Oh my god, V. Looking at V again. Through 7, I'm telling you, this 7 level here. $30 left on this candle though. This is looking good. Hold $7 or even dips below $7 after this candle closes up here. Even if it closes above $7, that'll be very good on this thing. Oh wow. How is it not breaking 739? How the heck does this thing not break 739? It literally fake halted up there. That was weird. That was crazy. Dang, you're still on VCSA, man. I lost 100 and something dollars on that thing. VCSA, man. Good, goodbye. Goodbye, Zach. Way to be patient. Bro, how did this not break 739? Did you guys see that? It like fake halted and it stayed there at 739. Could not break 739. Sniper Trades, you got an order on this thing at 751? You bought 699. There we go. Good job. Okay, I made back like $70 on that. Wow, VCSA, man. We nailed that trade, Zach. Oh my gosh. VCSA, we nailed this trade, and look at this. I literally bought it at 34. I do think if V breaks out, this thing is going to fly like they always do with this strong of a resistance. Looks like NVTA and VLCN have failed, but VCSA is still working. Sent out his full plan. Sniper Trace sending out his full plan. Your IG? My Instagram is Juan Trades. Go to my Discord and I have an official links tab on there, and you could follow all my socials there. Bro, on this stock, it's almost like any dip you get, you have to buy it. Mercer bought that first one. I bought that second one down there. But this is a low volume pullback. Look at the 5-minute chart. You see, every little dip just gets bought up. I was looking at $7 again, trying to take a trade at $7 again, and nothing. You know what I think might be a decent strat for holding place on, holding through the breakout or stop break even, no profits in between. Let me see. Holding place, holding through the breakout or stop. Yeah, like if I buy here, just put a stop immediately and let it break out. Yeah, because a lot of those breakouts, they still break out even more after we... True. But like anticipating a breakout instead of taking profits at the breakout, take it above. Here we go. What? I told you if this thing rips through 750, it's gonna go. And watch this. No fake hold, breakthrough 8. Breakthrough 8 and we fly on this thing. How's this thing not squeezing shorts, man? This stock is starting to scare me, dude. This stock is just starting to straight up scare me, bro. Somehow lost another. I recovered 100, and then I lost another 100 on this thing. So now I'm only up 450. But this thing, I mean, the way it behaves, it's like one of those stocks that can just dump. I think this is one of those stocks that it's breaking out and it's having these moves. But I've seen these moves on stocks like this, and the way this kind of stock is moving right here. It's just one of those that it could just flush, and it flushes hard. Like this thing can just drop like a rock in one candle and take all of these things out. So I think just because the way it's breaking out and the way this stock is trading, I am not going to mess with this stock anymore. I think I'm done with this stock. Oh, Mercer said the same thing. It can dump so fast. Yeah, this stock, the way it's moving, I don't know if you guys notice, and if you don't notice, try to find a difference between the way this stock moves and the way any momentum breakout type stock moves. You know, I mean, you get moves. This one was boop and then spawns down and then kind of just like spawns every move, right? It doesn't actually rip through these levels. It just kind of appears through those levels. And so, I mean, this thing might keep going, but not until it has clean volume will I trade this thing again. Because, I don't know, just the way it's moving, it's not. So I did end up giving some profit back on that one, but it's understandable with a stock like the VCSA, UBX, BNGO. Man, I wish there was other place though. CHPT on Momentum Scanner. Watch AEI 5-minute setup. I feel like we missed it. Good luck, team. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend, y'all. Appreciate it, Andres. Appreciate it. That was a nice 5-minute flag on A. This nasty to kind of like flush. Pick that one up real quick and high a day. Zach, we nailed this trade, man. We nailed this trade. I don't know how to be a little bit more patient or not, but this candle here definitely messed us up. I mean, it was squeezing and then pulled all the way back down. I think I'm okay with stopping out on these for a $40 loss when there's going to be a time where I nail it here and then I ride that thing all the way back up, just kind of like this, right? Stop under that same candle, you never get stopped. Even like the one right now that Mercer's calling out. Look at this, right? You catch that bottom, you buy that bottom, you put a stop right below it. You might get stopped out 10 times for 30, 40, $50, but the one time you get it, I mean, this right here would have already paid for that. And same thing on VCSA. I mean, even though we didn't get a big move, this right here might have paid for it. I mean, I had 1,500 shares from 435 up to 448. That's 10 cents. That's 150 bucks. Kind of needed that halt on V. Oh, guys, I am literally a wizard in stocks. This thing is dropping down to 630, 630, 640, 650. Honestly, though, if this thing recovers, that's a good sign that somebody's buying, somebody's keeping the stock up. But even that, I don't think so. But I mean, I said this thing might drop like a rock up here, and that stock went from 775 to 692. It's almost $1 move after I said it. I got an alert for blue. What the heck? Blue has. Do we buy a $2 test again? Did it pull down to that level again? Ooh. See, these are the ones that I don't know if this guy takes again. My first instinct is to always look at the 1 minute and see what happened, right? If it's a topping tail, that scares me more than seeing this. Because this is kind of like, okay, we're trying. This is kind of like, we tried and we immediately got rejected. There's shorts there. There's sellers up there. Like, what the fuck? Short sellers trying to fight it up there after it squeezed so hard. I never get that. If he recovers, yeah. But John, that's the same thing I ask myself, dude. It's the same thing I ask myself every day. Why not? Why not let us squeeze it, take it up to $8, $9, $10. We make our money, and then you can jump in on it at $8, at $9, at $10, and then ride it back down to $6. Like, we both would make more money if you just let us do that. Who'd get screwed over? All the newbies trying to buy the stock. All the newbies trying to buy the stock at $9, $10 are the people that they're gonna lose money on this. VCSA kind of recovering this 445 level, 444 level. Sniper trades up $1,500 on V on 2 entries. Both of them sent out full plan before the move. I've never challenged a stop area on both entries. Nice. VCSA, it wants to hit that 4-6 high of day. I'm going to keep an eye on VCSA. This thing just doesn't have volume, though. Sega holding that 23.53 as a support from yesterday's high. You did re-enter BCSA. Okay. I kind of want to enter if this candle closes high and I get a retest of 444. Look at all this. And actually, you got a strong resistance at 452. Wow, this thing is opening up now. Fast. 4.6 is high on this thing. As a matter of fact, I'll take a if this candle closes past 450, I'll take a retest of 450. But Juan, we talked about the consequences of breaking 739 on V. We knew what happens if they did, so that's why I got in stop limit order, which I got filled higher at 653, but still paid me nicely. Yeah, that was a good trade, man. I joined you on that one. On V, I joined in at the break of 651. So I took a couple of shares there. Where did you re-enter this play? Did anybody else also re-enter this play? Candle right there closing under 650. Jesse, how are you doing, man? Are you still playing Tesla? Tesla's been going sideways the last few days, I think, right? This dip here was not. Oh, that's the one I bought. Never mind. This thing wants 4.6. What does the daily look on this thing? I haven't even looked at the daily. Oh, we gapped up. Oh, that's why 4.6 is so hard. Look at that. 469, 470. Strong resistance there. Yeah, that's what John is looking at too. Did awesome on a short yesterday, but just kind of watching now. Did awesome on Roku yesterday too. Nice. Never got a retest of 450, man. Can I check CPRX last month? Why last month? I'm so jealous you guys get to make hundreds off of 5-10 cents. Bro, you'll get there, Lang. Bro, I'm so jealous you get $1 a move, bro. I don't know how you do that. Zach, once again, nailing a trade. Zach, once again, nailing this trade that I had with him, and I let go of it. Bro, if Lang jumped in with the share size that I did on the plays that he's jumping in, Lang, you'd be... Oh, look at V again, man. Oh, no, never mind. It looked better on the 5-minute. For real, CPRX. What do you want me to look about CPRX? Last month? From $6-7 all the way up to 13th. Zach, you nailed this VCSA trade again. Marissa, did you join him on this one, or did anybody join him on this one? I had it down here. We're dumb, bro. We're dumb. I'm new and I did. Awesome, man. Good job, Dimas09. Good job, good job. Is this your first time here, man? PACB is on my... Bro, for real, where does V want to go? Jofi trying V here. Here goes V again. Look at V. Stupid V. Looking at V again. Look at this thing. It dropped like a rock and then recovered it all. Dude, are you kidding me? Look at VCSA, man. I'd be up 50 cents on this trade, man. Okay, well, I guess now it wants to use that 471 as support. V double topping highs almost. I don't feel like playing V again. I really don't. So, VCSA looked like the clean 5-minute flag. Oh, what happened to Damas? What did Damas say? Yeah, dude, just checking Treadcaster. Want to know what's all about. Awesome, man. Appreciate you coming in here. Hopefully you're taking some trades with us and making money. Hopefully you're learning something. I saw Living Like Matt made 37K yesterday. Crazy. But I don't. I. He doesn't show his P&L every day though. I don't know, and I don't know what he made it on. Looking at VCSA, wants to flag over this 471. This 471 is that daily pivot, and we're trying to flag over it. I would make 37K a day if I'm gambling. One, come on. Look, Brenda, he shorts all day faders. I've only seen him trade live once, and he didn't show his P&L. Well, I've seen him. I've popped in there several times, but I've seen him only take a trade once. And I kid you not, he was adding on a stock that was getting squeezed the whole time, and I was like, what the heck? I think he ended up closing it for a loss. But it just the way it was, he was shorting that stock. I was like, there's no way. If I'm a buyer, I would be so aggressive through this move here. VCSA pivot 460. This 471 is at daily level, and I'm trying to see if it wants to hold this 471. Which already held it 3 times, so I was tempted on buying, but it's a nice VPA. Candle still has a lot to close though. Oh, V actually hit a high. But look at this thing. Hits a high and doesn't go anymore. This is a little better. You see how it takes 26, 27, 28, 29, 29 instead of actually gapping it up. VCSA, this pivot is looking nice. Take a small stab. I'm honestly kind of waiting to see if it kind of flushes a little bit, like even down to the 9 EMA or something, and then I'll take my stab. Bro, this level does not want to crack. You guys see V? You guys see V? Is that why I said I don't want to trade that stock? Bro, what happened to? Glad I took my profits on V. Wow. I'm going long. Oh, that's a little okay. Did we get that 460 then? Oh, that pulled way too fast. And this is the first 1 minute candle, this 5 minute candle forming here, so you're in 460. Siga holding. I do see that. I do see that Andres. That's at yesterday's high. It's at 25 right there. First time coming across your channel. Interested to see how you trade, bro. Appreciate it. You already trade, Rodrigo? Are you a trader already, or you're a beginner? And welcome in, man. Welcome in. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you stopping by. Yeah, I think that drop was a little too aggressive. And V, yeah. I'm gonna import my trades. I was up my max $600, but I think I've given some back. V was just choppiness, and at least I was able to catch that and stop trading it because I know that when I see a stock trading like that, no need to keep trading it. I will see a lot more opportunities later on. So up exactly 399 with 99 cents. What the heck? I need 1 penny. I need to make a penny. I need to make a penny, guys. Where do I make a penny? Negative 80. That's a decent small loss. Ape trades. Better keep it small. Payo. Have I checked Payo? Let's get that penny. Awesome, awesome. I actually have to take off now and run a couple errands. I'm up 144 to continue my green streak to 9 days green. Awesome, John. Everybody give John a little streak. What? I guess the fire thing. That's what Snapchat does. Everybody get the little flames with $100 on John. There you go, John. Awesome, awesome, awesome. BCSA. If anything, BCSA down to that 450 level might be a better place where that ADMA is at as well. Thanks, I'll talk later. Appreciate it, you, John. Appreciate you being here. Rodrigo, I tried here and there, but most definitely awesome, man. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. Any questions? Don't feel scared to ask a stupid question or a dumb question. There's no such thing. I really am here to help you guys. And if you are more towards the beginner or intermediate level, I have a course coming out on Monday. Um, Follow my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube, and you might get it for free. I'm picking a winner on Sunday. AEI breaking out. I'm upset I missed this trade. I'm up. You know, I keep telling myself I'm gonna buy and give myself 10 cents, give myself 15 cents, 20 cents, right? And I didn't. I stopped out. I literally nailed this entry here. Watch this. 434. The stock hit 433. I bottom ticked this with 1,500 shares. This would have doubled my day. Oh well. Always what ifs. Always in the past. Always hindsight 2020. We get it. We as traders love to do that, don't we? What's the cost of the course going to be? $300 with the discount. Which I think I mean, it's obviously I know it's not like penny change, but I mean, I put a lot of work. I spent a lot of money, honestly. I probably spent more than I think I'm gonna get back just in the first week. I don't even know if people are gonna buy it, you know. But I spent a lot making the LLC on camera, equipment, and stuff. So just trying to help some people out. What is this? All right, yeah. From now on, everybody's gonna post. Ape Chase is heading out. Okay. From now on, everybody's posting their P&Ls on my Discord. From now on, we got to keep that Discord active. Everybody, after this, we're gonna go and post our profits on the Discord. Sniper trades. That means you need to get one. Are you back in this play, Mercer? Are you still in this play? I made $10 yesterday and $12 today. Ozzy, I don't care how much you made. You made money 2 days in a row. What was the ticker you just showed where you almost bottom ticked it? It was VCSA. I bottom ticked it at this candle here at 904. Which this thing is holding this level here. Again. This 450 level. UBX broke out? Wait. Oh, downtrend. Okay, I see it. V again, man. Look at V again. Somebody's buying this stock. Somebody with large pockets is buying this stock. Guess who bottom ticked VCSA again? Just now. Guess who bottom ticked VCSA again? So I took that profit. How do you buy the dip trades? How do you know it's getting bought up? Well, I'm looking at the 5 minutes. So on a 1 minute, right? On a 1 minute time frame, you know when we're uptrending, we're following the 9 EMA, right? So this is a terrible stock to show you an uptrend. This thing is retarded. Sorry, I said the R word. Let's see. Sega, right? When it's uptrending, it's following the 9 EMA, right? Which is my blue line. Boom, boom, boom. Following the 9 EMA. Once it cracks, it's in a downtrend, right? Now I don't usually take a trades just on the 9 EMA on the 1 minute, but did anybody, Mercer? You jumped in on that VCSA trade again, right? Because I jumped in it right there at 452, but I was like, you know what? I want to make a little bit of profit to get me over $400, and I made like 30 or 40 or $20 on that play, so I took it off. But still can't chat in trade. I want the Discord. Nice, thanks. Looks like it making a previous resistance at support. So, bro, look at this. Did anybody jump in on again on VCSA? Anyways, so now I'm looking at the 5 minute, right? So if I'm looking at the uptrend on the 9 EMA on the 1 minute, I'm looking at the uptrend on the 9 EMA on the 5 minute, and that's my green one down here. Now I'm looking for previous resistance to look for support, right? So in this case, if I kind of draw, if I take this line out here, take this line out there, and take this line out there, that's kind of a support resistance, right? So we pulled up to there, rejected, pulled up to there, rejected, pulled up to there, finally broke through. and we came down and retested that. So I'm thinking this is support now, and so this is where I purchased it, and then I sold in that little pop. B wants to go for another run, man. So now I'm currently up $430 on the day. And it looks like it pulled back already to that same level. So now I'm not interested anymore because of this 5-minute candle here. I wanted this to pull back, and I wanted that next 5-minute candle to rip higher, right? So now this level here, I'm not interested in it anymore. V is making a nice 5-minute flag up here, though. ALT is on my momentum scanner. Oh, it's a slow grinder. So, looks like everything is slowed down. V is the only one that's up there, but to me, it still just doesn't. I mean, this last candle had 140,000 volume, right under high of days, right under high of max all-time highs, with only 140,000 shares traded. Well, I guess these other ones have 300, 336, 380, 360. Anybody taking some more trades? Let me send you guys my Discord. Sorry, I forgot on YouTube, my YouTube people. Vic, Vic, I see your little flag on the Discord. Alright guys, for everybody watching me on YouTube, here is my Discord link. So I have all my socials there. You can follow them and get a chance to win that course. If not, we're always trading in there and talking in there, posting our profits and stuff. Especially when I get off a stream, everybody goes over to the Discord, and if they're still trading, they'll start trading on there and call it out. And then the new people on Tradecaster that are watching me on Tradecaster, here is my link for my Discord. So just click that and you can join it, and then you'll be part of the team. Just kidding, you guys are already all part of the team. The little bit of a flush again. This stock is heavy. Just look at the. This is why I'm saying. Look at the 1 minute time frame, and look how it goes up and how it goes down. What do I see? I see one candle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles to recover that candle. One candle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to recover that candle. Another candle down. Where is it going to go now? Look at these 3 red candles here. Now in the morning it was a little bit opposite, right? In the morning it was opposite. We have 4 candles down, kind of 2 candles up. 10 candles down, 1 candle up. 15 candles down, 1 candle up. Now it's backwards. Can't see the ticker. What ticker? The stock that I'm looking at, it'll be up here to the right. If you guys can't see that, just always ask me and I'll say it. So this one's V. V-E-E-E. NVTA wants to get over VWAP again. With that V pullback, I confirm Knife City has opened. See you on Discord later, team. Awesome. Are you still going to trade it, Andres, or are you going to protect your 2K profit? 2K profit's a nice day for Friday. Hey, I have a question. What does short locates mean? I have that in my Trade Zero platform and not sure what the purpose is for that. Alright, short locates. I can't demonstrate on you because I don't have short locates on this broker, but short locates. Let's say I'm not going to look at that stock, VCSA, right? The way that I trade and most people trade when they start off is you buy low and you sell high, right? That's how you make money. Now, if you buy high and sell low, you lose money, but you have to buy the shares first and then you sell them. And now, if I am a short person, that means I have to sell first, sell my shares, and then I have to buy it back afterwards. But if I'm selling shares here, how am I selling something to somebody that I don't have, right? How can I, if I don't have a Android phone, how can I go and say, hey, look, I'll sell you this Android phone if I don't physically own the Android, right? I have Apple. If you have Android, I'm sorry, I've lost respect for you. Just kidding, I take it back. But so you cannot sell something first if you don't have the shares, right? So the way that you have to find those shares is you have to actually borrow them from your broker because your broker has those shares. So in this case, if you want to sell short, that means you have to ask your broker to borrow some shares, which in order to borrow those shares, you actually have to pay a fee. And that fee is called the locate fee, right? Because you're locating shares to be able to borrow. So the broker might say, look, this stock, you can borrow it, but I'm going to have to charge you 5 cents a share, right? So 5 cents a share, if you get 100 shares, then you're paying $5 on it or something like that. And then or 1,000, whatever it is, and then you're paying that locate fee, and now they let you borrow those shares. So in this case, you would say, look, broker, I want to short the stock right here. Can I borrow 2,000 shares? They're gonna be like, okay, that's gonna be 20 bucks, right? Okay, I'll pay 20 bucks, and now I have 2,000 shares. Now I can sell short here 2,000 shares, and I can buy them back later. Cheaper, right? Because I sold them. Somebody's paying me $4.82 per share, and I'm buying them back for $4.40. So I'm making 40 cents a difference on that. And of course, you can also do the opposite, right? You can short sell here, expecting it to do this, and you pay $20 to borrow those shares, but on the trade you sold them here and you bought them back 40 cents higher. So you actually lost on that trade. You actually would have lost on this trade here, but on top of what you paid for the fee. Oh, that was a long explanation. Hope you got it. Do people use short lookets to influence the movement of the market? No, short lookets just means I want to borrow the shares. It doesn't matter. Because I can borrow shares and not necessarily even trade them, right? Like, let's say I wanted to short this stock, right? I'd see BCSA, BCSA right here. I'm like, you know what? If this stock goes up to $5, I want to short it at $5. So I'll borrow the shares now. I'll pay the fee. I'll locate the shares. I'll get my broker to let me borrow 2,000 shares. And now I paid 20 bucks to borrow 2,000 shares, but I haven't actually entered the trade. I just have them sitting in my inventory. I guess that's what you call it, right? And say if this stock never hit $5 and I never took the short entry, I'm actually not entering the actual market at all. I'm not buying and I'm not selling. I'm not doing anything with the stock market. If I never got my trade and I don't end up using those shares, I basically played money for no reason. I paid them to borrow those shares. I paid them to borrow those shares, and I never even used them. Sometimes you can give your the broker's always going to get them back, but sometimes they might give you a rebate or something like that, where like you paid $20 to borrow them, and if you didn't use them, they might say, okay, you know what, you're right, I'll give you $5 back. So then you technically paid $15 for no reason. But that's what short locates is. But if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to learn to day trade going long first. So buy low, sell high, because going short is risky. Is riskier. EVGO just popped on scanners again. Look at this stock just rallying like nothing. Is this the Friday action that we usually get? Thoughts on BBBY? Oh, the ultimate Reddit squeeze stock, right? I would not be surprised if this stock does make another move. I think the stock has like a 50 something short interest still. It's a lot. Like a 50 short interest or something like that. CryptoWire, I didn't know that. Awesome. Or you learned something new, CryptoWire. You learned something new. You learned something new. I'm just using level 2 and it feels more comfortable, and I'm doing swing trading because I don't have a big setup to have so many scanners and stuff to be quick on the market. That's okay. Just come and watch what we trade. NVTA ripped through VWAP. Oh my god, NVTA ripped through VWAP. What did this stock pull down to? I think this one had the, what was this high? Is that $8? $9? $9.35. Dang. You shorted BBY quite successfully? Nice. That's good, Alex. That's good. Keep paper trading. Keep paper trading. And then somehow VCSA does not want to quit again. VCSA again. I think I did okay this week. I had smaller days, but I think I did okay. I had a giant loss last week, and somehow my 30 days, I'm still up 5 grand in the last 30 days, even though I took like a $3,000 loss last week. But I'm green in August so far, even with that loss. I'm green over $1,000 this week, almost 1,500. I just gotta get a little bit more confidence in these dip buys. Gotta get a little bit better on these things and start scaling up. NVTA still wants to kind of rip through these levels here. Looking for high day on NVTA. TS84, you made 53, but commissions you're down 65? What broker do you use? CMEG? IBR? IBKR? CMEG, yeah. Juan, I have a question. Vic, I have an answer. Vic, I have an answer. REBN. Kevin said REBN. Oh, is this a new IPO? How much share size is too much when we scale up? Bro, I don't know. That's a personal question. Just kidding. I mean, kind of. How much can you tolerate? How much can you emotionally tolerate, and how much can your account physically tolerate, right? If your account is $25,000, you're not gonna go scale up real quick and lose $5,000 a trade, right? Or $4,000 a trade. You'd be wiped out in 4 or 5 trades. Oh yeah, that okay. Let me rephrase this, Vic. Let me see. This is what I think is it has been my problem for the last what I say for the last year and a half. My second day in here would like to do copy trade with you if you would be okay to start with. Copy trade, what is that? Where I buy, you buy? I mean, you can try to do that, but I would rather you learn why I'm buying and selling where I am in case if I stop doing this, in case if I don't know, for some reason I go unprofitable or something, then you can know what I'm doing or not. Anyways, Vic, so I used to be a solely breakout trader, and until the last like probably 2 or 3 weeks, I've kind of not stepped away with it, but still been trading that plus adding new things. I don't know. I was just so good at breakout tradings that I was so blinded to trade these stocks differently, right? I was so blinded to look for the dip, to buy the support, to all of this stuff. NVTA top watch over VWAP. NVTA is over VWAP. NVTA is way past VWAP. um, and so I almost think NVTA is already flagging. Although we did not get past that 543 level, that's going to be important. So I was solely a breakout trader, right? And for example, on VCSA, this might be an example. Well, this is kind of a weak one. I used to trade. Dick just called you a millionaire mentor. Yeah, I'm not a millionaire, but it's just his way of promoting people. I don't mind it. Um, but I am. I don't know. I don't want him to be in here and something, but he's awesome. I like him. So here, right? This is the high of day on the stock here. Usually, I'd be trading through here, right? I'd be trading through here, and it worked. I did that for the last year and a half, and I made, I mean, pretty good money, right? Averaged 10K every month last year, pretty much. And then this year, I'm like, you know what? It's very hard. I would take 5,000, 10,000 trades through these moves here, but to me, it's like it gets so risky when I'm trying to take 20, 30, 40. Like, I don't see myself taking 40,000 trades to make 5 pennies, to make 10 pennies, to make 20 pennies, right? That's instantly down 4, 5, 10K if it just instantly wipes me out downwards, right? And so I was a breakout trader and it worked, but I think for me to scale up, I have to nail this move, and then I have to come back and nail this move, and then trade the breakout again, and then trade this again. And look at that. I mean, I took today on this stock, I took those trades and I nailed them. I nailed that trade and I nailed that trade. Obviously, I didn't get a big bounce here, and this one I stopped early. But if I take a 30,000 share here, I'm risking 5-10 cents no matter what. But now I'm not aiming for 5-10 cents. Now I'm aiming to this high here. That's 59. That's 60 from 430. That's 30 cents that I'm aiming for. And I keep my runners another 10-20 cents. And this has happened, man. This has happened even just this last 2 weeks. I'm learning a lot of Zach, man. Zach has been so patient on his plays. It's incredible. And some of these trades, man, he has been riding them straight up for a dollar 50. I think this guy has averaged $1.50 a move on probably 2 or 3 stocks a week. He did it yesterday, not yesterday, 2 days ago on NVTA. I mean, look at this thing. This is where we bought it. Yeah, I could be chasing buying through this move, buying and selling through this move, buying and selling through this move. But why am I going to buy and sell through the move and make 5 cents here, 10 cents here, 10 cents here when our entry was this? I kid you not, this was our entry right there. We bottom ticked this stock right there at 278. I'll show you. Look at that. And I sold it. But he rode this thing. That was 3,000 shares. 3,000 shares through this whole move here. Just that move itself, that was from 2.8 to 3.8. That's $3,000. $3,000 with just 3,000 shares. Imagine if I take 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K here. That's a 40K move. And then even then, Zach did not sell, bro. Zach did not sell there. Zach sold here. Zach bought here and sold there. Zach, I'm gonna brag about this for so long, man. Until I can't see NVTA on a 1 minute time frame because it's so far back, I will stop bragging about it then. It was still early, so bro, Zach held this stock for like 7 hours and he was like, I sold too early. That's my problem too, Vic. That's my problem too. How do you get better at holding for longer and finding dips that actually follow through? Uh, I mean, so holding longer, you just have to be patient. I'm not the best at it because I scout, but that's something I'm working on. But for now, my strategy has NVTA volume incoming. This was a nice flag. I didn't see a pivot though, so I wasn't sure. So what I've been doing to the only thing that I've been doing recently, and it's kind of been helping. I haven't been able to capitalize on it. It's just buy, the same amount of shares, and just take your profit like you usually do, and just leave a runner and just put a stop loss at break even, so you don't lose anything. If you're in a winning trade, just put a stop loss at break even, and literally switch stocks. Just switch stocks. Don't look at it, right? I tried that today on one of these, and I stopped out. I think on both of them because it came back down here, but just put a stop loss and don't look at it. Because the more you look at it, you're like, oh my god, I'm up $50. Oh my god, I'm up $100. Oh my god, I'm up $30. And you're like, I want to take this. But if you just come back 3 minutes later, 5 minutes later, and you're like, okay, you know what? It just rallied up a little bit. Let me move my stop up now, and let me move my stop up here under that pivot, and now I for sure make that $50. But now I'm up 150, or something like that, and then find the next pivot and move it up. What Zach does is he finds the pivot and then puts it right under that. So for example, here, let's say you nail this entry for some reason. You put your stop right here, right? And then it goes up and makes the next flag. And what do you do now? You do this. And then right all the way, and then it goes all the way down, makes the next flag, and you do this. And then it goes up and makes the next flag, and then you do this. Just constantly drag it up. Yeah, eventually it'll knock you out. Eventually it'll take you out. Holy crap, you guys see V? REVN. Ooh, Kevin, this thing is halted down now. This new IPO. You can't even trade these things, dude. It's literally impossible to trade these things. Alright, this is how I made $1,500 profit within like 2 seconds. So here we go. I'm gonna buy 4,000 shares right there, and I'm gonna sell them right there. And there you go, $1,500 profit. Alright, this is how I made $1,500 profit within like 2 seconds. So here we go. I'm gonna buy 4,000 shares right there. This thing is halted, Kevin. V is making a straight up V recovery. Wait, somebody said a V recovery on something else. everybody's liking Zach. Zach has been killing it recently, but so is everybody else in this team. And Dress, $2,000 profit today. Sniper Trade's probably already headed out of here. Mersa making some nice pivot plays today as well. Ape Trades. Um, Ape Trades. What's it called? The thing that I have to give props to Ape Trades a lot is this guy was trading $400, $500, $600 a day, and he started losing, and I told him, you know what, dude, you have to prove consistency before you want to be successful. And this guy dropped it down to $20 a day, $30 a day, and is literally sitting here for 2 3 months now. NVTA is still going. I missed this flag here. I was talking too much. And he's been hanging out in the lower $20 $30 a day, um, to prove consistency first and then scale up, and that's the right way to do it. You're not going to be rich right away. You have to understand it first and then scale up. Jesse, you're up 350 now. Tesla moved up, was down about 200s. Good red to green. Good red to green. Oh, I don't think I can do that. Sorry, I never answered your question. I don't think I can do that on Tradecaster. No, I don't think I can do that on Tradecaster where I can have a guest speaker. NVTA is going for high of day. Looking for a $6 break on this thing. How does the daily look though? Because this thing is being down. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, go to the Discord. We're all in there. Andres, Mersa, Ape Trades, Zach is in there. Me, John is in there now, and I'm sure there's a lot of Isaiah has been in there several times. Scotcherla has been in there. Any questions you guys have, ask him on there. We'll answer them. I'm tired of all these other gurus like flashing Lambos and Ferraris and like telling you to just pay for the course. Yeah, I have a course coming out and it has everything to teach you, right? But that's because I can't physically teach all of you guys all at once. Looking for $6 breaks on NVTA. But if you do your research on your own and you come and ask us questions, we'll help you. I want to see if NVTA gives another little flag. Looking for the break of 6. Maybe this left pivot here, down here at 573. I don't know that this thing has. What candle is this? Okay. That pulled back after $6 touch pretty aggressively. What the heck was that? Oh. Oh god, I got scared with that. I'm looking at NVTA still. I want to see if we get that $6 break, but I want to see if we almost double bottom out at this 574. This was previous high of day, 591 there. NVTA has 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle, and this is looking pretty good. Stronger volume on the way up, pretty nice push up. RKLB. RKLB. Okay, yeah. It's going to create a topping tail on the 5, and I'm not interested on this thing. That's why I said I wanted this 5-minute candle to close high and look at that 5-minute candle. That's a topping tail on that 5-minute candle. You froze and you're back down. What do you mean? I'm honestly not seeing anything interesting at all. FRZA. Oh, that was the stock that's another IPO, yeah. Bro, I can't even see this chart. It's all the way to my left. I literally can't see the chart. It's way to my left. Bro, this thing was a $15 break, though. I can't. I cannot trade this thing, dude. It's way over to my left. That one and then REBN also an IPO, Andres. Look at REBN. Oh, this thing just resumed. Gap down so much. These IPOs are scary on the first day. There's no way I would trade these things. This thing can gap up and down and instantly be down dollars a share. Yeah, it could be up dollars a share, but look at this thing. Gap down from 10.76 and opened at 9.15. That's $1.50 a share. I prefer to spend money on a casino. You ain't wrong about that. Let's see. Pretty now ending negative 260 on the day. That's okay, Vic. That's okay. Did you freeze? You're saying like you took a bad trade and then didn't close it out? NVTA approaching $6 again. Anticipating a $6 break on NVTA. See, today is later in the day. What I'm gonna do is just leave these shares here and see if I get that break of 6. And I will sell at 6 here. There we go. I'll sell it there. And I have 400 shares left that I'm just gonna let these things run now. Uh, there's a break of 6. There we go. Take it on the other side. Very small trade here, but up $150 on this thing. Squeezes up some more, takes some more profit out. 200 shares left. What can I lose? 60 bucks? Stop under 6. Look at this. Pivot under 6. I want 6 to be a support, right? If I'm usually trading this breakout, I'm buying at 6, but I'm already in. Giving myself some room here, though. If I stop out on this, that'll be my last one, though. But welcome to my channel, everybody. What the heck, Melanie Hutchinson? Easiest way to get caught in a halt than lose account. You're right, Kevin. You're right. IPOs. But what the heck? That I ran over a cat. A little bit of a winner here to end the day. See, I don't have Zach patience. I don't have Zach patience. I don't have Zach patience yet. Up $160 on this tiny trade that I took. Now, if you see how I took this trade, I was looking at this bounce, right, that 573. Didn't catch that there, but we recovered that area with that same kind of pivot. 2 strong candles up, and I'm trying to catch a small pivot. I caught it there, and then I was red on that first trade, and I was like, you know what, stop that. I stopped that right quick, pulled down lower. I re-entered that trade there, and then anticipating the break of 6. Usually, I'm buying right here. Now, I'm trying to get a lower entry, but I only took 1,500 shares or something like that. Small share size because I'm not confident in these, but you know what? 1,500 shares for an extra $150 on the day. And then 100 shares left for runners, but we'll see how high this thing goes. And this will probably be my last trade of the day, so this will put me up over $500 on the day again. And another decent day, so for Friday, I'll take it. Friday, enjoy the weekend. I actually have family coming over too, so I'm going to close this out. Unlock 160 on this trade. Now let's see what I'm currently sitting on the day. I was currently sitting at $420 before that trade, and now I'm sitting at $589 profit today. So $11 short of 600 bucks. $11 short of $600. That's pretty good. From 8:30 to 10:20, 2 hours for 600 bucks. No trades for me today, and I'm off team, and I'm going 2-week camping vacation trip. So see you all then. Have a great weekend and be safe. Elvinar, hope your trip goes well, man. Hope you have a fun little vacation. Have fun, Elvinar. We'll be back here waiting for you. And I think I'm going to call it for today, guys. Any of you guys that were here for the first time, please let me know again. And welcome to the stream. Welcome to trading with us. Hopefully you learned something new today. And if not, hopefully you enjoyed watching me trade. I'm not the guy that's going to be here yelling, screaming and stuff, but hopefully the opposite, right? Here to actually help you and teach you stuff. So, Alex, appreciate you coming in here, Alex. You know where to find us. 15 minutes before market open. Love the stream, bro. Keep it up, Rodrigo. Appreciate it, Rodrigo. Michael Jacob as well. All of you guys, I posted my Discord link on the chat so you guys can join it. And if we keep trading, I know some of the guys are going to keep trading. I probably won't because I do have family coming over. But if we keep trading, we're always trading on the Discord. If you traded today, made some profit, go ahead and post it on the Discord as well so we can see how everybody's doing and what progress everybody's making. Even if it's a red day, right? Jesse, have a good weekend, bro. Thank you for doing what you do. Jesse, appreciate it, man. Thank you for being in here every single day consistently. Appreciate it, guys. So, let me see. I think you guys have my Discord there on YouTube, yeah, and then the Tradecaster people, I posted it earlier. Have a good weekend, all. The best stream, bro. Keep it up. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. I love doing this, so just here to help you guys out. And I'm going to head out, locking in $600 on the day. Decent day, decent day. I'm getting better at these, so hopefully start scaling back up again. Alright, guys, y'all take care. Y'all have a good weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday for another stream. Y'all have a good one.